Hello watercolor friends. I prepped this canvas with 4 layers of golden gessos to give the watercolor some absorbance. I will start with bright colors for the left mountain slope in the foreground. Since I painted these rocks and flowers more realistically, they also need to be in the foreground. A surprise visit by my husband with camera. I have added up to 5 layers of watercolor to make this painting as rich looking as possible. Each layer has to be completely dry. My next mountain on the right is a little further back with different formation, indicating more rocks and less grass. This mountain, I call it the Lonely Rock, leads us away from the colorful mountain ranges to the smaller blue and aqua hills with their sunny peaks. It's a way to suggest distance and painting dimension. I hope you enjoyed this little video and you visit my channel again. Ciao for now.